Hey guys, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today I'm going to share the recipe of how to make a Hotel Rasam Vada at your home. So for the Hotel Rasam Vada, what you need, first I'm going to prepare the rasam. So here I'm using the tomato puree for this. If you have fresh tomatoes, you can add the fresh tomatoes. So here I'm adding 3 to 4 tablespoons of tomato puree into this. So it gives a nice color guys. So that's why I'm adding this. So after adding the tomato puree, I'm going to add some water. So this is very easy recipe guys. So you have to add 3 to 4 glass of water. I used to make rasam every day in our house guys. So that's why I'm adding the water like that. So for this you have to add 3 to 4 cups of water, and here I'm adding some salt as per your taste, how much salt you want in your rasam. And in this I'm going to add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. So here I added half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, and here I'm adding the rasam powder. This is the homemade rasam powder, but you can buy from the shop also. So you have to add 1 to 2 tablespoon of rasam powder, then only it gives the nice flavor in the rasam. And after adding all these things together, I'm going to keep this one in the gas. So I'm going to keep this one in the flame guys. It should be in the medium flame, not in the high. So yeah, so it will take 5 to 7 minutes, and then it started boiling. So after 5 to 7 minutes, can you see the yellow thing in the top of the rasam? So we have to mix this one very well. And after that, what I'm going to do, I'm going to add the tamarind juice, which gives a nice tangy taste in the rasam. So I soaked the tamarind in the water for 2 to 3 minutes, and I'm going to add that water here. If you don't have the tamarind, what you can do, in the last you can add the lemon juice for the tanginess. So yeah. So after adding the tamarind, we have to cook this rasam for 5 minutes. So in this, I'm going to add the hing powder, which gives a nice flavor in the rasam. So can you see guys how it looks like? Very tasty and yummy rasam. So for the tempering, take a kadai, small kadai, add 1 to 2 teaspoon of oil, ghee, and in this I'm going to add some cumin seeds. So this is the tempering for the rasam. So I added the tempering in the rasam guys, and it's time to switch off the flame. So my rasam is ready, and it's time to prepare the vada. And for the garnishing I'm adding this fresh coriander, or you can add the curry leaves also, that is up to your choice. So this is ready, and it's time to make vada. So here I have a vada batter. Yesterday only I grind it in the blender, and I kept it in the fridge because I thought today I'm going to make a rasam vada. So yeah, so here the oil is getting hot, and here I'm going to make vada. Take a small portion, and in this I'm going to make a hole, and I'm going to put this one in the oil. So we have to fry this vada until it becomes light brown in color, and we have to fry both the sides. So can you see the vada is perfectly cooked, both the sides is fully crisp, and I'm going to put this one in the bowl. So I kept it in the bowl, and I'm going to add this rasam in the top of the vada. So my Hotel Rasam Vada is ready, and it has to soak in the rasam for at least 5 minutes. Then only it will absorb all the rasam. So yeah, so this is the quick video of how to make Hotel Sambar Rasam at your home. See you soon in my another cooking video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching. Bye.